Start.
Hello all, welcome to my new channel. Today I want to discuss and share a topic which is from MA English syllabus of second years, and the topic is Voices in the City, which is written by a famous novelist and the professor of humanities, that is Anita Desai. Voices in the City is a second novel by Anita Desai. This novel and this story, The Voices in the City, tells the story of three siblings about their struggles, about finding their lives, a meaningful life in the city of Calcutta. The major characters and who are the three siblings are Monisha, Nero, and Amala. They are the three siblings, and we have one more character is Dharma. He is a painter. Then coming into the novel, first Monisha. Monisha is a neurotic, sensitive, prone to, and she is prone to overthinking situations. She she is married into a very traditional family where she outwardly plays the role of dutiful and a devoted wife. Later, however, internally she is deep. She is went into deep turmoil due to his due to the ugliness of her surroundings. She is unable to bear a child, one of her primary duty as a wife, which she interprets as an unwillingness to bring another life into the world that seems to ugly and meaningless. Because of this ugliness, she is unable to bear a child. Then, at the end of the novel, she commits suicide herself in the bathroom. Later, her siblings, two siblings, Nero and Amala, doesn't understand why she committed suicide. But at later, they will find the two siblings, Nero and Amala, will find a diary. In the diary, Monisha mentions clearly her internal feelings. After finding the diary, Nero and Amala comes to know why she committed suicide. Coming to Nero, Monisha's younger brother, Nero also has troubles in adjusting the life in the Kolkata city. He too faces some troubles. At first, in the beginning of the novel, he has a good job at a newspaper, which he soon quits. He soon quits his job because he cannot find meaning or more for self-expression in the work, because he won't satisfy with his work, so he soon quits the work as a newspaper in the newspaper. Then the three siblings and a mother, their mother is a widow. She's a widow. The widow mother, she tries to help Nero, but Nero rejects her help. He, Nero doesn't want to take help from his mother. His mother want to offer a help to Nero, but Nero rejects the offer in finding a job, and Nero himself fails in his life. Then Nero attempts several business ventures. Nero attempts several business ventures, including starting a magazine of his own, writing a play. However, all his attempts, whatever the attempts made by Nero, all his attempts have failed. His magazine is false, and his play is rejected by theatre group. Whatever the play he started, it is rejected by theatre group. Nero attempts to model his existence after a painter. A painter, his name is Dharma. Nero attempts to model his existence after a painter named Dharma, who seems to be at a peace with his life in Calcutta. Though Dharma is a mysterious figure, Nero is ultimately not able to understand his motivations. Dharma is a mysterious figure, but Nero is unable to understand his motivations. Then, moving to Amala, the youngest daughter of the widow mother, Amala also struggles as same his sibling struggles. She too faces many problems in living a meaningful life. Then Amala By moving to the story, Amala also encounters Dharma, and he has a greater effect on her. Dharma has a greater effect on Amala. Dharma considers Amala as the ideal model for his paintings. Dharma considers Amala as an ideal model for his paintings and draws her into a circle of literature. At first, Amala is excited, but she soon finds that Dharma is a philanderer and who treats his daughter very poorly. In that way, she experienced that, and another secondary shock is that Monisha's suicide attempt. For Amala, the secondary shock is Monisha's suicide attempt. Then Amala, living in Calcutta, she works in a advertising agency. But even though she works in an advertising agency, Amala feels the job is very boring and does not she won't satisfy with that job, and, but she finds something that does, making illustrations for a translation of the Panchtantra. In this way, our novel Anita Desai explains the three siblings story. People dissatisfied with their lives in modern society are very common in Anita Desai's fiction. As a writer, Anita Desai explores the ways people try to find a meaningful life. She always focus on the people who are trying to live a meaningful life. Sometimes Anita Desai's characters fails like Monisha, and sometimes Anita Desai's characters, whatever she is including the characters, succeed like Amala. So in this way, Anita Desai explains this novel. Thank you. Keep watching my channel. Please do subscribe, like, share. Stay home, stay safe.